was in high school, I have a list of things like what an ideal husband is. It's so hard to find those criteria in mga na-meet ko. And then, when I met Jeff, I was wrong. Like, talagang meron at merong tao para sa'yo.
Thank the Lord for the time that you met each other first time. Joanna, na crush mo agad si Jeff. And then there was a time that you came back to each other again. And finally you're here as husband and wife.
First time namin nag-meet sa isang acting workshop.
Well, nung first time na na-meet ko siya, syempre pagtingin ko matangkad, syempre may tsura, like good looking. Medyo mukhang playboy.
Nung first meeting namin, hindi naging okay. I mean, hindi kami naging kami. So parang anong nangyari nga nun, bigla akong nawala, parang bula. Haba ng hair.
Bigla niya akong ginost.
Parang ginost ko siya. Galit na galit siya noon. Sabi niya, alam mo kung pag nakikita ko yung kotse mo dun sa Panay, gusto kong butasin yung gulong. Ganon yung kinukwento niya nung nagkita ulit kami.
And then, tinanong ko sa kanya ba't niya ako ginost. Feeling niya na-intimidate daw siya sa akin. Tapos sabi kasi niya, natakot siya sa akin. Kasi nung time na nag-meet kami before, parang nagustuhan ko talaga siya, hinahabol-habol ko siya.
So Joanna's heart is also so pure. She has so much love to give. So when she met Jeff, I knew it was something different already. Because that's the thing with Joanna. If she wants something, she will do everything in her power to get that, to pursue that. So I remember this time, she was talking about Jeff so much that day. Tapos, sabi niya sa akin, wala tayong magawa. Mag-book tayo ng hotel kung nasan si Jeff. Ginawa talaga namin yon. Tapos because she was hoping that she would bump into Jeff, na parang, ay, nandito kami, ay, nandito ka din. Ganon.
Sobra akong happy because this is like a dream come true to me. Pangarap ko talagang ikasal. Actually, high school pa lang ako pangarap ko ng ikasal. And then, right now that I'm the bride already, parang sobrang, I've been waiting for this time. I've been waiting for this day. Ito na yun eh. Ito yung magsiseal nung relationship namin eh, na akin na talaga siya. Alam mo yun?
Everything you left unspoken, let me know. The secrets of our heart wide open. I will never leave your side.
Please face each other. Hold each other's hands. Look at each other's eyes. Joanna, do you take Jeffrey here in front of you to be your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept Jeffrey here as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Jeffrey, do you take Joanna here present to be your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept Joanna here present as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
probably one of the best example na when you find the person for you, it can't really be measured by time. But you know, when it's the right person, it's the right person. And not just her probably, but even the people around you, feel mo yun. Because that's what I felt. And that's it. And again, I want to thank you nga because Kuya Jeff is the brother that I never really had. Because I never had a brother and now I have one.
Hello, Lovey. Finally, andito na tayo. Ito na yon. Ito na yung exciting part. I've always dreamed of this day to happen. High school pa lang ata ako, gusto ko nang ikasal. I remember praying for the man I wanted to marry. Sabi ko that time na sana bigyan ako ni God ng mabuting tao, someone na tatanggapin ako for what I am and what I'm not.
My name is Jelly. I'm Joanna's best friend since high school. So I met Joanna when we were 13 years old. It was the first day of school and we didn't know anyone. I guess we didn't have any choice during that time. And we sat together because Feliciano and Joanna magkasunod. So wala kaming choice. So that started our friendship. And looking back at that day, I guess it's no accident. It was God's plan for us to meet and become the best of friends. Her family, Tita EBG, Sibong, they used to adopt me during summer vacations. And we stayed late almost every night talking about our future. So si Joanna, sinasabi niya sa amin ni Micah, she wanted to have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. So dahil best friends kami, kinopy ko lang yung dream niya. Sabi ko, sige ako din, that's my dream. And God is really good and He answers prayers because those 2 teenage girls, daydreaming, are actually living that dream. Today, both of us, we have 2 kids.
Malay lumpia. Oy, drone! Oh! Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, babe. Gift ko. Joke.
Excited na ako, iharap ka kay God. Kinakabahan ako sobra. Let's enjoy this. Inhale, exhale slowly. Wow!
God has been really blessing our family, no? Kasi ever since nag-start yung By Essence, I wasn't really able to take care of my 2 kids, Joanna and Joseph, pero they came out fine. And finally, Joanna take another big step of going to a marriage. And again, God bless us by having Jeff in his life, in her life. Sabi nga nila, ang buhay ay parang rosaryo lamang. May sorrowful, may glorious, and may joyful. No? So, just be strong with your love and your dedication with God. Huwag na huwag nating kalimutan ang Lord kasi siya talaga nagbibigay ng lahat na ito. So, like Joanna found Jeff, Jeff found Joanna after 4 years. Nag-meet sila before, 4 years ago. Hindi na sila nagkita after 4 years. Nagkita sila ulit. So, with all your trials and tribulations and all the challenges in life, I know you're both positive person and you'll make it through. A happy ending. I love you both. I love you, Joanna, and I love you, Jeff.
Unang-una, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Diyos dahil tinadhana at binigay ka niya sa akin. It's not an easy journey yung mga nalagpasan natin sa loob ng 5 taon nating pagsasama. And I hope and pray na magsama tayo hanggang sa huli.
Of course, I love him so much. I love him with all my heart. Naiyak ako. Pero I love him with all my heart. And he's really a dream come true for me. And wala na ako ibang gugustuhin pa kundi makasama siya for the rest of my life and to build a family with him. Sobrang dream guy ko kasi talaga si Jeff eh. Sobra. Hindi ako makapaniwala na binigay siya sa akin. Na may ganong klaseng tao.
I knew it when you were the start of my heart again. And all I am and ever was is better because I knew it then.
Sabi nila, maswerte ka sa akin. Pero ang totoo, mas maswerte ako sa'yo. You taught me to see life in the different perspective. You helped me to appreciate the littlest things and be grateful for every blessing na natatanggap ko sa araw-araw. And ang favorite ko sa lahat, you inspire me to build a stronger relationship with God.
Sa simula't simula nung tinanggap mo kami ni Jayden, sa buhay mo, sa lahat ng tiniis mong sakit every time na mukhang hindi sumasang-ayon yung universe sa pagsasama natin. Pero hindi ka pa rin bumitaw at mas pinili mo akong samahan, lalong-lalo na ng mga panahon na sobrang down na down ako.
All the brightest days without you they're just not the same. As long as I live, I swear that I'll give
Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya,
the
lagi
brightest days.
habang buhay ako magpapasalamat sa'yo.
It's you.
I'm so grateful and thankful na habang buhay kong tatanawin ang utang na loob sa'yo. Lahat, as in, lahat ng sakripisyo, pag-unawa, pagmamahal. Sobrang grateful ako. Salamat, maraming salamat sa'yo, Navi.
Forever and always you. All you are is all I need you to be. All I have when you have all of me. All we are. Keep me close, you're the sound of my heart. It's you.
I promise to take care of you hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Mahal na mahal kita, sobra, and always remember, you are my home.
Gusto kong ipagsigawan sa buong mundo ang aking pasasalamat sa'yo. Maraming salamat, asawa ko. At kahit ano pang pagsubok ang dumating sa pagsasama natin, palagi kong pipiliin kang samahan hanggang sa huli ng aking hininga.
Forever and always you.